This is an incredibly exciting video. I will show you my all-time favorite 11 WhatsApp tricks which you will find really useful. Hi, I'm Femil from f1chatech.com and comment your favorite WhatsApp trick in the comment section down below. Let's get right into the video. Okay, the first one. You can now send your location through photos. For this, snap a photo through WhatsApp or take one from gallery, click on sticker icon, select the location badge and place it anywhere on your photo. When someone clicks on it, wow, they can see that location. Very nice. The next one, sending blank status with audio. For this, select a video on WhatsApp, click on the pen button, select a color, then long press on that video. Yeah, the video becomes blank with that selected color and you can still hear that audio. Perfect for status. Next, for those guys who don't want to see the photos or videos from a specific chat or a group on your gallery, simply tap on the name, click on media visibility and select no. Yeah, keep it secret. We always see this forwarded badge on messages, and if you wonder how many times it has been forwarded, here is the trick. Long press that message, select info, voila, here you go, 2 times. You can now lock your WhatsApp without any third-party apps. Go to settings, account, privacy, fingerprint lock and turn it on. Again, keep it more secured. If you like to save a chat history or send it to someone, open that particular WhatsApp chat, click on 3 dots, select more and tap on export chat. Now you can select through which media you like to send that chat. Yes. The next one is giving a private reply to a message that you have seen in a group. For this, long press that message, click on 3 dots and select reply privately. Now WhatsApp will automatically tag that message inside that person's private chat. So it's a cool way to privately reply a message in a group without showing it to the other group members. You can now easily and directly access a chat by creating chat shortcuts. For this, open a chat window, click on 3 dots, select more and tap on add shortcut. This shortcut will directly take you to that particular chat. For those who like to see their WhatsApp interface in a regional language, go to settings, tap on chats and change the app language from here. You can now send a WhatsApp message without saving the other person's contact number. For this, download an app called Click to Chat, link in the description, and input the contact number and your message, click on send now. Here you can see that the contact number is not saved and still you can initiate a chat. Sending replies to WhatsApp messages without opening the app is a pretty cool trick. Now you can directly reply to someone through that message notification itself. Very useful trick. Yeah, that's all for this video. I have many more coming soon. So stay updated by pressing the bell button. I will catch you in the next one.